This is one for the record books. So this took way too long to get to, but if you guys remember, I made a modular railroad. I did not do very good wiring on it, which is why there wasn't like any videos from my channel. If you wanted to see the attempt of anything, I mean, it's really bad quality because of the pixelation. Go check out my friend Yuri's live stream she did on Digitrack CD3 or Trixie, whatever her account goes by now. But guys, I did it. I did proper wiring on this. I will maybe take a picture and show you what it looks like, but I have 5 of my caboose on all the terminal tracks. If I do this, all 5 should light up. Look at that. I did it. I did it. And that's without me even connecting all the pieces together. That's just to show the wiring. Holy crap. I did it. So I'm gonna put all the tracks together and do a test train on it. But guys, I did it. I'm exhausted. As soon as I upload this, I'm gonna pass out. But I can't believe I did it.